Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to dropship on Tradelle to Shopify. So first thing that we should do is to simply go to the Tradelle website. So you just have to use your browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Tradelle. Then you'd be able to see the website. So you just have to click on it and you'd be directed to this page. And what you're going to do here is to take a look at this site. Okay, so before we proceed to creating our account, so this is just an overview. So after that, you just have to click on the get started for free option. So this one at the top right or this one at the left side. Okay, so right here, let's go to the pricing. So here in the plans and pricing, they have a free plan. So always free, so no credit card required. So for the monthly plan, we have $29.99 per month. For yearly, it's about $19.99 per month. And for the lifetime, it's $479. Okay, so this is just one, so only until sale ends. So of course, since we're just starting to use this website, you just have to click on the free one, and then after that we can sign up with our Google, Facebook, or you can type out our name over here or email and then our password. So let me just continue with my Google account. So just choose your Google account and then just click on continue, and then you'd be redirected to this page. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here just have to click on continue. Okay, so just click on the own store or marketplace. Okay, so since we're talking about Shopify, so we are going to select the own store, and then after that you just have to click on next. Okay, and then here click on drop shipping, and then just click on get started. Okay, so right here we just have to click on start your free trial option. Okay, so click on this one, and then here on the product picks, we have this products that we can actually drop ship to our Shopify store. So here we can access hundreds more products if we upgrade our plan. So currently we're using free plan, so that's why some of the products are locked. Okay, so we can access this if we upgrade our plan. So let's just utilize the products that are available for the free plan. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to simply look for the product that we are going to drop ship to our Shopify store. Okay, so you can also click on the load more products, but we have to get the full access for this one. So we just have to upgrade our plan. Okay, so going back here, let's just utilize the products that are available as of the moment. Okay, so see for example, I am going to drop ship this product to my Shopify store. Okay, so you just have to click on that specific product, and then once you're here, you'll be able to see the details of the product. We have the name of the product and of course the description. Okay, so after reading the description of the product, we have here the product cost, the selling price, and of course the profit that we are going to get per sale. So right here at the bottom, we can go to AliExpress, go to Facebook ads, go to Amazon, and then you can also find the best supplier. So just click on this option, find best supplier. We have AliExpress, Alibaba, globalsource.com, DHgate, made in China, and of course the C drop shipping. Okay, so what we're going to do here is to scroll down, and we have here the details about fulfillment by Tradelle. Okay, so right here we have the product demand and saturation. So here we can read how the product is doing during these years. Okay, and then we also have here the saturation indicator and then the original interest. Okay, so when you scroll down, we have here the estimated profit calculator. So for example, we are going to change the selling price. Okay, so I'm going to change this to $27, and then we are going to see here the number of sales, net profit per sale, and then the potential profit as well. Okay, so here in the next section, we have the product cost, the shipping cost, the other fees, and then the ad spend. We also have here the targeting on social media, so the interest, pets, animals, pet stores, okay, so pet supplies, So right here, we also had the pets at home, so pet supplies as well, and leash pet supplies. Okay, so we also have the gender section, the age, and then the total audience size. So this is our target on social media. And we also have here the product reviews. So if you think this product is worth to resell, then you can decide now. Okay, so let's go back here at the tab. So to dropship this product, you just have to click on the import to Shopify option. Okay, so before you import this one, let's go to the current trends section first. So right here, when we clicked on this, we can access hundreds of trending products. Okay, so for example, over here, I am going to dropship this product to my Shopify store. So remember that this is the current trends section. Okay, so we have here all of these details. Okay, so the product reviews and etc. So when we go here to the fulfillment section, okay, so for the fulfillment by Tradelle, so the following products are available for drop shipping via partnerships with local suppliers. Your products are automatically shipped after your customers purchase them from your Shopify store. Only pay after making a profit. So we have here instructions, payment methods, connect to Shopify, imported products, and then the inquiry. So now let's proceed and look for the product that we are going to dropship to our Shopify store. So for example, this product. So we have the import to Shopify option. So all you have to do is to click on this one. Okay, and then before we can import this product to our Shopify, we have to upgrade our plan to get the full access. Okay, so I'm not going to subscribe to any plan for now, but this is how you can drop ship your product. Okay, so first you have to go to the product section. You have to go to the trending products. Then you have to look for the product that you are going to import. Then you'd be able to see there the option where you can import the product to your Shopify store. So right here, just have to subscribe to the monthly plan, yearly plan, or the lifetime plan. Okay, so you just have to click on the upgrade now option. Okay, so if you have a change of mind and really wanted to use this product to dropship product to your Shopify store, then you can get the full access by subscribing to their plans. Okay, so you can also access the upgrade plan option, this one at the bottom left of your screen, and you'd be directed to the pricing plans page. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.